Rasool Bhutto is a very sad and painful story from Pakistan. This Ghulam Rasool Bhutto is from Ghotki, Sindh province, Pakistan. He has been protesting with his family outside the Islamabad National Press Club for 7 years. Peshawar is a criminal. He has several murder, robbery, kidnapping papers. But he is supported by influential Vederes and Papers Party representatives. That's why he is released from prison. She has gone crazy and she is very sick. Ghulam Rasool Bhutto says that in 2016. I married Zarina Bhutto, because of which the same influential people issued a fatwa to kill me and my wife Zarina, and after severely torturing my father and mother. Ghulam Rasool Bhutto looted my house, my shop, my property and everything. Bahawal's father went to his district Ghotki SSP several times, but no action was taken after that. On March 18, 2018. Ghulam Rasool sat on a protest outside the Islamabad National Press Club with his wife. He said that I protested in front of the Supreme Court with chains around my neck. I protested in front of the parliament. Coins because our security issue was they can kill me and my wife anytime. Ghulam Rasool says that in front of the Islamabad Press Club. I have given birth to 2 daughters. One of my daughters is about 5 years old who is seriously ill, and they are lying in the camps. Sometimes encroachment and Islamabad police are there. Therefore, he says that my International Human Rights International NGO, United Nations, UNHCR, and the UN should help me and my family. Neither the Pakistan government is providing protection nor justice. My little children are living a very troubled and painful life, no one willing to raise a voice. No support. He excelled. I have appealed to humanity for help to give me and my family shelter in another country from Pakistan so that I can live a good life with my family. I am suffering from depression day by day. May God help me and my family and save me from the life of the streets in Pakistan. There is no one who can help humanity and humanity to help me and my family. Ghulam Rasool Bhutto. Future address Sindh district Ghotki. Currently, the National Press Club Islamabad is open to small camps under the open sky with his wife and children.